Hi, I'm Jeremy Johnson, CPA, and here we are again with our Taxes Facts versus Myths series. And today I want to talk about the responsibility of the tax filer or taxpayer. So this is what I hear quite a bit. Jeremy, I had someone complete our tax return, and I don't know what happened, but we're receiving notices from the IRS and they're saying that this was not on there and this was not on there and this was on there. And so the first thing that I ask them is, did you review your tax return prior to signing? And most often times than not, it's no, we did not really review the return. They're the tax preparer. They are the professional. We assumed that they knew what they were doing. And so let me give you this word of warning. The ultimate responsibility falls on the tax filer, the taxpayer, okay? Not the tax preparer. Now, there are things out there where tax preparers are liable. Okay, don't get me wrong. There are things out there. If there's a tax preparer that is just blatantly putting false information on tax returns, even after the tax return is signed, they do a few little other changes on there. So there are things to protect the taxpayer. However, if your tax return is prepared based on the information that you provided, you need to review your tax return. And for my e-filers, the first form that you should see and sign is Form 8879. And this is basically an authorization that allows your tax preparer to e-file on your behalf. So you want to look at the information on that. And then you want to go through the 1040 for my individual filers. Go through the 1040 carefully and all of the schedules that are attached. The Schedule A for itemized deductions. You got your B's, your C's, all of those schedules. Look at those carefully. For those of you that are receiving the earned income credit, you want to make sure you read through that information carefully. All of that should be in the paperwork that you're signing. Okay, so read that carefully because you don't want to get caught up in filing an erroneous tax return. And then the IRS is knocking on your door trying to figure out where this other income is that was not shown on your tax return. So please be careful and make sure you read every page. Okay, look through every page on that tax return prior to filing, because ultimately it is your and my, as a taxpayer, it is our responsibility to file an accurate and complete tax return. So that's that. And if you have any questions, please feel free to inbox me or shoot me an email with anything that you would like to discuss. And we have plenty more myths that are out there, so we'll be on this series for a little while. Looking forward to it. Got some fun things coming up. So we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.